too. Respect all the man, them way I keep your woman and treat her good. Otherwise, me I tell you, man, this one your true story. Too late to cry, too late to try, too late to question why, too late to mend, this is the end. Too late to call a friend, too late today, she's on her way. Too late to make her stay, too late to call, knock on her door, you said it all. She used to cry, stay up all night, sit back and wonder why you decide to stay out all night and have your friend, they might tell lie for you, boy. You never pick up the phone, tell her leave you alone, you're with Peter and Tyrone and you're not coming home. Yes, you did. You never buy her nothing, always affronting, no time for loving, you're up to something, lying and cheating, shouting and beating, what are you doing? Oh, that woman there, she's not stupid. So one day she decided it's about time, loving you is not a crime, need no more strife, she's had enough, she need a real man in her life. And Lord knows she's cried, Lord knows she's tried, stay by your side, swallow her pride, hoping one day you change your ways, have better days like yesterday. That was yesterday. Now she's moved on, got a new man, he treats her right, no time to fight. What you have lost, he has just found. Too late for you to turn around, and every day you'll think of her. So before she takes love away, listen to what I say. Before too late to cry, too late to try, too late to question why, too late to mend, this is the end. Too late to call a friend, too late today, she's on her way. Too late to make her stay, too late to call, knock on her door, you said it all. Too late to cry, too late to try, too late to question why, too late to mend, this is the end. Too late to call a friend, too late today, she's on her